Today is Friday, October 2nd. What you're going to do today is review week 2 vocabulary words. Let me show you where those are and let me go over the words with you. So you're going to go to the classwork tab, scroll down to the vocabulary topic, open up the document called vocabulary. So open this up. This happens to be the one for my honors class if you're in my honors class, but it is actually the exact same for the college prep class. So open up that document and scroll down to week 2. So we're working with test-taking vocabulary. These are words that you will find on tests, questions, and assessments. And these words will help you to understand what the question is asking you to do. The first word for this week is discuss. If you are asked to discuss something, you need to present an argument or consider other interpretations. So the video you watched about hamburgers versus hot dogs, the men were discussing which meat was the better one. Infer. Infer means to make a prediction based on facts. So this is when you are not given the whole story, but based on what you know, you can make a prediction. You can figure out what might happen next. Summarize. When you are asked to summarize something, you're asked to explain the facts briefly. So you might read a whole article, and then you might be asked to summarize briefly what that article is about. So you would just retell the main facts. Review these words. Make sure you know them well, and then go back to your classwork page. And underneath the vocab information, you have the Vocab 2 check, and you're going to fill out that form. Make sure you complete this form after you review the words because you can only take it once. Speaking of forms, I'm going to give you guys today to retake the Vocab 1 from last week. Some students clicked on this form and took it before they reviewed the words. Only take this if you need it. Go on X2, see what you got for Vocab 1, and if you didn't score a 3 out of 3, then go ahead and take this. If you got a 3 out of 3, you're good to go. You don't have to make it up. The other thing that you can make up is Grammar 2. This was from Tuesday. Again, I think some people opened up the Grammar 2 check before they actually went through the lesson on textual evidence. Review that lesson on textual evidence in the grammar lesson and exercises document right here. And then when you feel very comfortable with textual evidence, go ahead and take the retake form. Please notice some of the questions, it will tell you that there is more than one right answer. If there are boxes, you're checking off more than one right answer. And if there are circles, that's just multiple choice. Again, only do this if you didn't score a 3 out of 3 on the first time. So please check X2 before you do that. The last thing I would like you to do for today is look through your grades on X2. Are you missing anything? Please go ahead and finish up any missing assignments. In addition to X2, go on the classwork page. Check out everything that we did this week. You were supposed to pass in an assignment on Tuesday and an assignment on Thursday. I'm in the process of correcting those, so I have not recorded them in X2, but you will see if you are missing those. So please get those in as soon as possible. Thanks and have a great weekend.